and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the September 2025 Double Shot Kit. So our Double Shot Kit comes out every month, and it includes 2 brand new collections. So this is a great way to get your stash built up, or if you're someone like me that likes to have some of the new product each and every month but don't want to break the bank, then this is a great way to get those samplings of new products every month. Along with your kit, you're going to get some freebies. First off, you're going to get a free exclusive cut file. This month, it is this gorgeous heart bouquet, and it is called the Spring Floral Heart. So you can, if you have a digital die cutter, you can cut this up, make a great background or smaller little embellishment. It'd be super cute. You also have access to 2 free recipe cards. These are double page layouts designed by our awesome design team, so they'll give you their cutting and assembly instructions as well as a color photograph of the finished layout, so you can create right along with them. This month our 2 collections are 49th and Market Beach Vibes and Cartabella Honeybee. So you can see we have a really vibrant summer seaside collection and a more vintage antique looking sunflower and bee collection. Super cute, a lot of fun this month. So let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that you're going to receive in your kits. Starting with the cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of beeswax. And please know that I film really early, so sometimes due to supply issues, the names of the cardstock may vary, but the color will always be the same. So it may not be called beeswax, but it will be this golden yellow that matches perfectly with pattern paper. For your pattern papers, you're going to get this one called Shoreline, which is a beautiful background with the frame and then mixed media and waves and the seagulls. Just super cute. Whoops, how about the embellishment? The back is this fun, another background mixed media print, full branding strip here that it could be used. This one's called Surf, and we have all of the surfboards. The back is a wave print and a full branding strip again. This would be a lot of fun to tear or cut apart and layer up. Can you imagine that kind of layered with that? Super cute. Then we have this paper called Sunshine, which is the bright florals. And the back is this gorgeous wood grain and that beachy blue and yellows. Again, a full branding strip. This time these little tabs would be super cute to use. So one more look at the pattern paper. Then for your embellishments, you're going to get 1/4 of a pack of the laser cuts. And if you know 49th and Market, their packages of embellishments are huge. So this is a lot of die cuts here. They will vary among the kits because we do split them up. So they're 1/4 a pack, so there'll be 4 different variations, but you'll get something really similar. You'll have bigger pieces, little tiny pieces to tuck in, and mid-sized pieces. So that's 49th and Market Beach Vibe. Our next collection is Honeybee from Cartabella. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of moss cardstock and 1 sheet of yellow cardstock, and this is Cartabella cardstock that's made to match this collection, so you know it's going to be perfect. Your pattern paper is this gorgeous ledger, perfect for a background. We have the hexagons and the honeybee hive and flowers over here. The back is a diagonal plaid or checked pattern. That one's called Be Kind Layout. And then we have these florals here with the honeybees. The back is a design of green on green, kind of like a quilt pattern. That paper's called Sweetest Honey Stems. And then you're going to get the cut apart here, which is a lot of fun. We have some 3x4s, but then we have some that can be cut into strips. Journaling little box. You could make this one the tag or keep it all together. Love when you have options like that. And the back is this sweet design with the little florals, polka dotted background. This paper is the Honey Journaling Cards. So one more look at your patterned papers. For the embellishments, you'll get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So all of these will be the same. We have a large scalloped of that green print and then a large wide border of the florals and bumblebees. Lots of bigger ones that you could use as titles and subtitles. A banner, welcome to our hive, you're the bee's knees, life is short, make it sweet. So lots of ideas there for what you could scrapbook. So that is Honeybee from Cartabella. One more look at your double shot kit. Don't forget to download all your freebies. Join us on the Facebook group, the blog, and subscribe here on the YouTube channel. We have lots of process videos throughout the month using our collections from the design team, so you don't want to miss out on any of those. We have challenges over on the Facebook group where you can enter and win prizes. Lots and lots of inspiration. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.